This video demonstrates a new tire cage design from Ken Tool. While a standard inflation cage does a good job of containing the tire and wheel components during a sudden catastrophic failure, the force of the blast itself can be extremely powerful. As seen in this demonstration, the sudden air release caused by a zipper rupture in the sidewall of a tire can instantly unleash enough force to shove a 175-pound steel test barrier more than 14 feet away. Clearly, a violent blast force powerful enough to hurl this heavy test barrier that distance, as well as shove the cage itself a significant distance, has the potential to be extremely damaging and even deadly. Ken Tool introduces the new Super Magnum tire inflation cage. The Super Magnum cage diffuses most of the explosive energy released from a catastrophic failure, like a zipper rupture, by using steel mesh reinforcement. The steel mesh of the Super Magnum makes all the difference. It actually diffuses 93% of the blast force caused by a zipper rupture. And note that the super wide tire used in this test ruptured at over 100 psi. In this side-by-side view, you will clearly see how well the Super Magnum cage diffuses the blast force compared to a standard cage. Notice the steel barrier and the Super Magnum cage itself are barely moved by the blast when compared with the standard cage design. With a standard inflation cage, 100% of the destructive blast force is suddenly discharged into the trajectory zone in a concentrated area. But with the Super Magnum cage, only 7% of the blast force reaches the dangerous trajectory zone. That can make a significant difference in the outcome of a sudden failure incident in the workplace. Always be sure to follow OSHA Regulation 29 CFR Part 1910.177 whenever changing tires, and make your next tire inflation cage a Ken Tool Super Magnum cage. But there are still more advantages with both our Super Magnum and Magnum cages. These new cage designs provide the additional width needed to easily accommodate the super single and new super wide tires that are growing in popularity. Along with that, they are built to withstand the higher potential blast forces that can result due to higher air pressures and more than twice the air volume required in these super wide tires. Therefore, both of these new cages have a higher rating of 130 psi. Remember, either attach the inflation hose with a clip-on chuck before rolling the tire into the inflation cage, or use the handy Ken Tool Easy Rotator to easily position the valve stem to a convenient spot after the tire is centered in the cage. Ken Tool, offering inflation cages and accessories designed for today's newest demands. Get yours today. To find a distributor near you, go to kentool.com and click on the Where to Buy link, or call us toll-free. Ken Tool, wherever tires are changed.